Top stories. Manpack declares February 12th as Northeast Doomsday. Appeals to all Northeast people to protest with black flags in hands. People heighten resentment against CA bill, intensify protest. Veteran politician Ojoy says Chief Minister fails to digest CA bill. And KSA storms COSEM office amidst public protest against CA bill. Hello and good evening. I'm ONEL Samanduram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Manpack declares February 12 as Northeast Doomsday. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh had said that the CA bill can be discussed as a supplementary bill anytime during the Rajya Sabha budget session. It may be mentioned that the budget session is going to be adjourned on February 13th. Talking to media persons, convener of Manpack, Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar appealed to the people of all Northeast states to come out in streets with black flag in hands to stop the Rajya Sabha from passing the bill.
Ngarang si security forces akoida CAB 2016 na se withdraw tawgadabani haibagi kholaw asiga loinana amubo phiral pairaga akhoi protest asi tawiu aduga hairiba protest asigi manungda kariguma makhalgi gari ungli amat chen mayaro isagi oiba sinpham thadok piraga changsin bigadabani aduga hairiba asida hayingi mifam asida maru oina yamna opposition gi major role loriba Congress party na mamang da Lok Sabha da puthokpa matamda bill asi pass tawkiba numit aduda walkout tawdana madugi masak thian giba do Manipur gi oiba amusung North East ki oina yamna laibak thiba numit ama ohen giba adumaina tawdana hayeng si kalgumda 12 February asida haiba bill asi puthorpa matamda makoina any sort of walkout of any Khangdi Karini Khangdi Taurakanda Hariba bill said Nakoi then a Sobatpaman Bagi Mawong said Satar Pataragadi Manipur Miamna Amasung Manpack na Mahuchin Jarakanda Makogi Matakta Chap Chana Akanami Yangani Amasung Manipur Yoiba Chap Chaba period of the Lauragana Makogi Matakta Punamakasigi responsibility Hajalakani Habisimasu Akoina Masigi Akanma warning of Matavjari.
Anti-CA bill protests in Manipur have been intensified as the people continue to express strong resentment against the bill after Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh stated that the bill would be tabled in the ongoing budget session of the Rajya Sabha as a supplementary bill. On Monday, Imphal city wore a deserted look as people from all walks of life staged anti-bill protests during the total shutdown call given by Manpack, an umbrella body of as many as 72 civil society organizations. Paramilitary forces backed by the state police face a hard time in their efforts to bring the situation under control. Women vendors of Kwaraman Kaitel continue anti-CA bill protests at the marketplace. They have been observing night halt at the market complex for a sustained sit-in protest against the bill. All commercial activities in the key market area remain suspended due to the demonstration. All shops in the city, such as Thangal Bazaar and Pauna International Market, down their shutters. A large number of Bun supporters came out on the Tidim Road from early morning and blocked the road. The Bun has been called by Manpack against the CA bill. Women vendors of Kwakatel Bazaar along with a huge number of people demonstrated on the road obstructing traffic movement. On Mayailambi, locals from Pishum Ningombam Leirak, Pishum Thong, Harangoi Thong and Kaisham Laikai blocked traffic. The protesters also squatted on the road expressing anger against the bill. Media reports earlier said the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 was likely to get passed in the upper house on February 12. At around 10 a.m., a strong team of police arrived at the protest site and dispersed the demonstrators who were blocking Mayai Lambi. The police managed to open traffic on one side of the road. Several vehicles were damaged by Band supporters at Katwa Bazaar along Imphal Moray Road. They blocked the road. Singjamai Mayengbam Laikai and Singjamai Thongkhong also witnessed protests. Locals of Uripok, Khoishnam Laikai and Ningthau Khongjam Laikai also obstructed traffic movement, joining the anti-bill protest. The protesters clashed with police who were trying to foil the protest. Separately, a sit-in was staged by locals near RIMS main gate in support of the Man-Pack agitation. A rally was carried out by locals of Langthabal Khopum Khul against CA bill. The rally was taken out up to Manipur University main gate. Terawang Thonbi Laikai also witnessed roadblock in protest against the bill. Mairapaibis of Kurai Kongpal Kongkham Laikai organized a sit-in protest against the bill. They shouted anti-bill slogans. Kurai Thaudam Laikai, Lamlong Kaithel, Kurai Haikru Makhong, Salanthong, Kurai Puthiba Laikai also witnessed similar protests. The demonstrators expressed anger against CA bill. Residents of New Chekon area joined the protest wearing traditional dress. They staged a sit-in protest. Women vendors of Konung Mamang Kaithel also organized a sit-in at the marketplace. They had several placards denouncing CA bill. Under the aegis of Namdulong Women's Organization, the locals wearing traditional clothes protested, joining the agitation by Man-Pack. Organization President Paumai Aguilu voiced opposition to the bill. In Thaubal, a large number of people staged sit-in protests and blocked roads at Yaripok Bazaar and Thaubal Bazaar. The two markets were shut due to demonstrations. Mayang Imphal Bangun along Mayai Lambi witnessed road blockage as locals protested against CA bill. Locals had sit-in at Nambol Bazaar along the Tidim Road. People joined the anti-bill protest at Kaino Thongkha. Ningthau Khong Bazaar also witnessed the total shutdown. Kumbi Apunmanu Pilup organized anti-bill protest. Students of comprehensive school staged a protest rally at Oinam. Students at Wangu also registered similar protest. Different auto services from Moirang to Nambol staged a rally on the road stretch, lending supports to the bill protest. It's now time for a short break.
Lamjingba Group na Manipur da lairiba Assembly Constituency Humpudagi Mathauda Pukning Changba Public Relationship Executive Post ki Miyoi Amamam Lagzagadori Mahigi Thak Yamdrabada Graduation Oigedabani Akupa Marol Gidama Contact Tobiro at 131-944-063 Amukasu at 131-944-063 Aikhoigi address Lamjingba Group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131-944-063
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi ngasi lengchin biroksi mobile furniture Kwa Ketel near Imphal products
Manipur da ihan hangoin handuksawa Green Can Industries Masida commercial kitchen equipments amadi bakery item makhal suna thangiragani.
We're very thankful for Green Can Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Can Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Can Industries.
Green Can Industries is the best.
And Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries gi after sales services si amna pending our entrepreneurs in Green Can Industries that depend over yani habise ku thazim.
We trust only Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best. We love the quality of Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Agum so mutang lenshin biratuna akupa marol gidamakta tanabiyu aikhoigi address Green Can Industries Mahangum Lekai SBI ATM building. Green Can Industries for better baking.
The great wedding sale by Mobile Furniture.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee registered a sit-in protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in front of the Congress Bhavan at BT Road. Leaders of PCC Youth Mahila minority communities, including scheduled tribe, took part in the demonstration. Participating in the protest, State Congress leader and veteran politician O. Joy claimed that the government of India looks down on the people of Northeast, including Manipur. He threatened to approach the Supreme Court if the CA bill is forcibly passed in the Rajya Sabha. It is really unfortunate that the State Chief Minister N. Biren has failed to digest the citizenship bill. It is shameful that the CM has been misguiding the people over the controversial bill, Joy said. Meanwhile, volunteers of Kanglaipak Students Association stormed the office rooms of COSEM chairman and secretary in protest around 1 p.m. The association has accused the two officers of neglecting their duty. The student body earlier imposed a ban on them from entering their office rooms. It has been reported that personnel of Imphal West Police detained several leaders of KSA after being picked up them from the council's complex over the agitation.
Citizen Amendment Bill अखोई निथी नुआइना पादबा नैनदबा वैना मणिपुरदा लैरिबा लाइक लाइसु हाइबा मणिपुर की प्रजासिंग अदुगा ngasi इहोबसी हौरिबा मियामबो बिल असि खंगदबदोना याम गांगी अदा आइगोंदा दि सिंगनै यामना मरमदि अखोई हुजिक हुजिक लैरिबा गवर्नमेंट असि चीफ मिनिस्टर ओइरिबा सिमा अखोई सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट बिल असि इंथिना अखोई डाइजेस्ट तौदबा खंगदबरा हाइबगी आइगोंदा सिंगनबा लै अना बिल औराइगदबसदि अखोई ओपोजिशन बु नते बिल औराइगदबसदि Siri Viren Ibumo Viren Abu Billazinity arrived at Sembrana Kali.
In protest against the CA bill and police action in which 7 women vendors were injured in Kwairaman market last evening, National awardee Sizagurumayum Ibohal of Thangmaiban Tingel Lekai today renounced the Best Farmer Award, which was conferred by the government of Manipur on National Mushroom Day for his commendable work in mushroom cultivation. Ibohal was taking part in a sit-in demonstration in protest against the CA bill at Thangmaiban Tingel Lekai. The protest demonstration was jointly organized by various CSOs including Manpack. Talking to media persons at the protest, Ibohal said he decided to renounce his award in condemnation of the police action which left 7 women vendors at Kwairaman market last evening. It is very saddening that the state security force, who will also be affected by the bill if passed, is being so harsh on women vendors. He said he, along with all the farmers he has trained, will boycott the BJP in the upcoming elections.
Citizenship Amendment Bill. Senator, the Hans of Legitimate Missing, Sidaki Takayama, he no lady, Siki Matatu, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Mayama Tungalaga, Maite have a Samaze, Maite have a Jatipura, Mutkinaba, in the government Sinmani, 2015, the Akai Musrungi, Dr. Nesran Musrum Day, Akai Musrungi, the Mukta Pantokiba Nesran Ewarni, Harbe Ewardi say, Imai Bell Singi, Kalaga, Manipur Pazagi, Kalaga, North Iski, Paza Singi, Dr. Kalaga, I get Ewarse, I Handukter.
People of Kabui community also staged sit-in demonstration and took out procession in protest against the contagious CA bill. Namguilong Women's Society, New Chekon staged sit-in demonstration wearing traditional attire at New Chekon Road near ICICI Bank. Protesters put up placards reading "Withdraw CA bill can't be implemented in Manipur," etc. Talking to Tom TV News, advisor to Namguilong Women's Society, Lanjepi Kanmei, said the Women's Society will continue the protest until the contagious CA bill is withdrawn.
Masih ayah berpitok pa wairodi, ekoi mayam sukong jangsin gani ayadna, ekoi mayam ne si ari pamba pamdana ekoi ngaidi.
Sending out a strong message to the central government and the state government here in Manipur. Every communities, irrespective of different tribes and communities, are coming up here to protest against the controversial CAV 2016. As a part of the protest, women group of Namguilong Kabuikul has also staged a sit-in demonstration asking the center and the state's government to withdraw or to reverse the decision in regards to the CAB 2016. With camera person Rolibin, Blessing Yangmai, Tom TV News, Namguilong, Infal.
On the other hand, volunteers of Langtabal Kopum Cultural Club and Langtabal Kopum Women's Society took out procession in protest against the CA bill from Kopum till the MU main gate at Kanchipur. Talking to Tom TV News executive member of Langtabal Kopum Women's Society, Golmai Thoipi Kabui, said the Women's Society along with various civil bodies of the state will fight tooth and nail for withdrawal of the contagious bill.
Mana whatever so I praja Manipur da lairiba akoi apun bagi maitai pangan kabui tangkul kuki maring punama akoi jati punna khunda minari besingse amata oina khongjan se akan ba oina changsin gani haina akoi gi lepcha gani masiki khongjang sida chira basu icha isu singi damakta di
General Secretary of All Manipur Working Journalists Union Shukham Nanda has appealed to the people who are agitating and protest against CA bill to cooperate with the journalists of all media fraternity in the state. The union understands that the bill will affect the journalists equally. However, the print and electronic media have great responsibility in trying to have people's voice reach all over the nation and abroad. It's now time for a short break. Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur private satellite television channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner Rs 1 lakh, first runners-up Rs 80,000, second runners-up Rs 50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and the college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba Lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari. Apamba service khanbiu. Economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800-1027-959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
HBL Constructions in partners with HBL Architects, providing complete building solutions, building constructions, architectural consultancy, soil testing and structural design, re-engineer structure, interior design, all kind of building services. Building the future. For more detail, please visit our website www.hblarchitects.com or call us at 8730-049186.
Welcome back after the break. Governor Dr. Nazma Haptullah has said that there is a great need of organizing awareness program to disseminate the latest information as to how the discrimination against women can be prevented. She was attending the inaugural function of 29th Annual Day celebration of Forum of Women in Public Sector at Scope Convention Center in New Delhi today. The role of WIPS is well carved out in this respect. Kriti Tiwari Ji, President WIPS, Ved Prakash, Chairman Scope, Dr. UD Chobe, Director General Scope, Malika Sethi, Vice President WIPS, Anju Gutta, General Secretary WIPS, and Dagmar Walter, Director ILO, New Delhi, also attended inaugural function. Praising the Forum of Women in Public Sector for this wholesome contribution in empowering women, the governor said the role of whips is well carved out in this respect. She said nothing would be more appropriate than the theme Think Smart, Innovate for Change for the annual celebration. Many women-specific and women-related legislation to protect women against social discrimination, violence and atrocities have been enacted. However, the implementation of such laws is still delayed due to the unawareness of the existence of such legislations and the rights thereof by the people, particularly for women victims. The 8SSS Manifa 2019 Award Handling Over Program was held at Mipun Sang of Kaching Dramatic Union in Kaching District yesterday. The event is held every year under the joint aegis of Sahitya Seva Samiti, Kaching Manipur, Film Forum Manipur and Thauna M. Lakshmi Kumar, IAS Commissioner, Art and Culture, attended the function as the chief guest, while Yenkom Kingba, President Sahitya Seva Samiti, Kaching Manipur, S. Mangoljau, Chairman, FFM, and Yambem Satya, President Thauna, were present presidium members. Neta Irawat Lirarol Lifetime Award was conferred on Laimayum Dhanachandra Sharma, Yashkul Police Land, Imphal. Neta Irawat Lirarol Lifetime Award Sumang Lila was given to Kaisham Manihar, Top Khongnangkhong, Imphal East, and Maipak Sanhal. Manipuri Jagoi Lifetime Award was backed by Srimati Gangmei Aluna Kabuini. Kaisamthong Kabuikul, Imphal, besides altogether 27 different awards of Manipuri film, including 3 awards of tribal dialect, were also distributed during the event. The awards were Tumhakai Lan, a Tangkhul film, won the best feature film on tribal dialect of Manipur. Totga Chan Raichan and Pamchuwon Kasak from the Tumhai Lan film bagged the awards of tribal dialect. Maitan Araba, produced by KHS Bimo and directed by Lukanan KHS, won the SSS Manifa 2019 Best Manipuri Feature Film Award. Lukanan the KSH bagged the Best Direction Award. Artina Thokchom won the Best Actor in Leading Role. Boni Sharma won the Best Actor Leading Role. Irom Maipak from film Maitan Araba got the Best Cinematography Award. The Best Story Award was received by Binoranjan Oinam from film Alia. The Best Lyricist Award was given to Irengbom Thawan for the song Aruba from the film Laman Ama. The Best Playback Singer was given to Shurma Chanu for her song Mushi Mushi Ngaliba from the film Laikai Lalumbatu. The Best Playback Singer Male was received by Irengbom Thawan for the song Arubana Mataida from the film Laman Ama. Karnajit received the Best Music Director Award from the film Laman Ama. Best Actor in Supporting Role Female was given to Susmita for the film Amuktanga Haiko. Best Actor in Supporting Role Male was conferred on Idho Elias Ramesh Chandra for the film Magi Matambakta. Best Child Artist Award was given to Brahmachari Mayum Dishirasna for the film Maitan Araba. Best Costume Award went to Aku Pukrambam and Gope for the film Mona Sengau Lakpa. Best Background Score Award was received by T. Tiken for the film Maitan Araba. Best Art Director Award was given to RKKF Studio for the film Maitan Araba. Best Cinematography Award went to Bebicha Salam for the film Hidak. Best Editing Award was given to Sanat Aribam for the film Laman Ama. And the Best Screenplay Award was given to Sen Sagolsem for the film Maitan Araba. T.H. Shyamkumar has said that the state government won't keep quiet if the Indian government passes a CA bill against the will of the people of Manipur. During the inauguration of school building of Ningthaunai Primary School at Yairipok, Ningthaunai under Andro constituency, the minister said that the society can't be developed without proper education. the constituency has seen a lot of changes thanks to education. He assured that the school fencing, drinking water and other necessities will be available soon.
We have MLA funds enough money to support in every respective way. MLA Palay, Kanagi Pano, Prazaki Panda. So was I like Dr. Bugis of the Galate? MLA Pandagi Pachal was at the near Canal. I do a single engaged story. So the our MLA Pandagi to whatever. The Prazaki Sokadaba, Prazaki Sentiment Sokadaba, Prazaki Swata Sokadaba, Amadi, Labor Taminariba, Zatikaloki, Sokadaba Gadi, what the Prazana cut Yabanga Moy, I couldn't cut Yabanga Moy, I built away, but Brasakana, Lakam Patagozo, Prazaki Sokadaba, is the government to be a Leroy, but Sokadaba, Amadi Manipuri Praza, Yeromi Sokadaba, Tabo Amata, Mrs. Tausu Tauroi, Yazu Yaroi, Tauna Pangasulate. Kaya sapo mo na madu yellow miso kada ba tabuk taro po ko chapta thena gani ha jona koi ngasi media sangabi kutang kisa madu media thong dai mayam appeal tawjeri.
At the inauguration of the school building built under multi-sectoral development program, Minority Affairs Director NG Uttam, Additional District Magistrate Imphal East Shamin Ahmad Shah, Ningthonai Primary School Headmaster Mohammed Kutubuddin were among the attendees. The ministers insisted the people not to panic over the CA bill. He added both the government along with the public will face it together if the centre passes the bill. Every year, some kind of issue arises due to some Catholic schools. Maoist Communist Party Manipur has urged to bring a solution to these issues. According to a notice by the party's coordinator of the standing committee, Kyong Han Mangang, in the current issue, any terrorist group, CSO, student group or police can provide any security to anyone. He asked whether the Catholic school will be able to bear the consequences the clash between Catholic school and the People's War Group will bring to the students. He urged to bring a resolution between the school and the People's War Group within 3 days. If not, the party will take up appropriate steps. The way bridge at Gulart Hall along the Imphal-Jiri Road at Jiri District by Highway Truck Owners Welfare Organization is just for namesake. The way bridge has reportedly not been functioning due to the conflict between transporter associations. Now it's time for the sports news. At the first All India Interjournal Pancake Silat Championship 2019 from 8th to 10th February organized by Indian Pancake Silat Federation at Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, Manipur has representatives of the Northeast Zone team. Took 8 medals including 7 golds and 1 bronze. 2 girls and 6 senior players participated in the championship. Thaunazum Johnson from Manipur took the best fighter male with cash prize of Rs 5,000 and a trophy. Johnson and Bishan took the semi-artistic best fighter trophy. Both the 2 prestigious award was given to the Manipuri players at the Professional Open for Female. Serju Bala Chanu defeated Punjab at the final. For Manipur team, El Shyam Kumar, Nawang Ngangom, and Robindro and Boinau Naurem were the coach, manager and referee respectively. Pancake Silat Association of Manipur expressed happiness over the victory of the team Manipur. It's now time for another short break.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi sebada leizari. Apamba service khanbiu. Economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800 1027-959 amadi 8794613154. Aikogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
HBL Constructions in partners with HBL Architects, providing complete building solutions, building constructions, architectural consultancy, soil testing and structural design, re-engineer structure, interior design, all kind of building services. Building the future. For more detail, please visit our website www.hblarchitects.com or call us at 8730-049186.
Welcome back after the break. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who has been hailed as the big game changer for the Congress in the crucial electoral state of Uttar Pradesh, will arrive in Lucknow today for a 4-day visit, her first trip to the state after formally joining politics 2 weeks ago. Congress President Rahul Gandhi and General Secretary in charge of Western Uttar Pradesh, Jyotiraditya Scindia, will accompany her on the visit to the state capital as she takes stock of party preparations for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Congress workers are planning a roadshow when the three leaders travel from the airport to the party's state headquarters. More than 20 spots have been identified on the road from airport to UPCC office in Mall Avenue area where the three leaders will be felicitated by party workers. The trio is expected to address the crowd and media at Lal Bagh tri-section. Meghalaya Chief Minister Konark Sangma on Sunday flew to New Delhi to seek support of various political parties in opposing the citizenship bill, which is likely to be tabled in the Rajya Sabha tomorrow. He said the National General Body meeting of his National People's Party (NPP) on Saturday had resolved to snap ties with the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance if the bill is tabled in the Rajya Sabha. The Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, which was passed by the Lok Sabha on January 8th, seeks to remove hurdles for eligible migrants from 6 minority groups from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan in getting Indian citizenship. He and his Mizoram counterpart Zoramthanga had earlier met Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh to express their opposition to the bill. Sangma's NPP, along with other Northeast-based regional parties, including the Assam Gana Parishad, which had already served ties with the BJP in Assam, had sought support several political parties to prevent passage of the bill in the Rajya Sabha. Sangma had earlier hinted at snipping ties with the BJP if the latter goes ahead with the bill. The NPP is supporting the BJP-led government in Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh and the People's Democratic Alliance government in Nagaland and has the BJP support in Meghalaya. Normal life came to standstill in Nagaland today as a dawn-to-dusk shutdown call in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 evoked total response. Shops, business establishments and educational institutions remained closed and vehicular traffic in all 11 districts was suspended. The busy road in state capital Kohima and the commercial town of Dimapur were a deserted look despite the Nagaland government's appeal to reconsider the shutdown. Chief Minister Nephew Rio has said that the state government, which represents the will and desire of the people, remain opposed to the bill that seeks to remove hurdles for eligible migrants from 6 minority groups from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan in getting Indian citizenship. He also promised that his government would have no stone unturned in constantly protecting the rights and privilege of the people. It's now time for the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Manpack calls complete halt to vehicular movement. 6 women hurt in standoff with cops. The People's Chronicle. 7 hurt as police foil non-stop protests against CFB. State government inviting for Nupilan, says women banners. Chief Minister in Delhi, security beef off for MLAs, MPs. Manpack boycotts minister. Textbook surrender steer today. 2 loggers die in Ukrul forest. Imphal Free Press. 6 women injured in police action as protest intensifies against citizenship bill. Security arrangement double at MLAs, MPs residence. Manpack boycotts forest minister. Hindi textbooks will be surrendered. Government will not act against interests of state, says Shyam Kumar. Manipur Mail. Women police hurt in firing. Students to surrender Hindi textbooks to Governor Chief Minister on February 12.
And before we wind up, the top stories once again. Manpack declares February 12th as Northeast Doomsday. Appeals to all Northeast people to protest with black flag in hands. People heighten resentment against CA bill, intensify protest. Veteran politician Ojoy says Chief Minister fails to digest CA bill. And KSA storms COSEM office amidst public protest against CA bill. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.